In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing some selling for today. After 3 consecutive days higher, we are seeing WTI crude futures coming off about 2% today, right around the 63.60 level currently. But that's coming off of a 6-week high yesterday. So even with today's price action lower, we are still at the top end of the recent range. And I think when you look at some of the factors playing into today's price action, there's a couple things to point to. Number one, I think the demand storyline is re-entering or at least imposing a little bit more influence today, and that's particularly global demand. When you look at what continues to be a very challenging situation in India, we're also seeing Japan reining in some imports of crude as those numbers have dropped month over month. So I think those are a couple of factors from a short-term perspective why we're seeing WTI futures trend lower today. Also a stronger dollar. We're seeing the dollar reverse and pushing up now over 91 again. So that is another short-term headwind, I think, for the WTI space. Now looking at rig counts today, we did get the Baker Hughes rig count numbers today midday, and basically unchanged. I mean, the numbers actually were ticked up by 2, but it was a mix. We did see oil rigs actually decrease by 1, gas rigs increase by 2, and then a hybrid was increased by 1, which means a combination of both gas and oil. So technically, the rig counts did increase week over week, and now with today's slight increase in rig counts, we are looking at a 9th consecutive month of rig count increases. So we continue to see more rigs coming online as crude continues to hold here in the $60 and above level, and I think that will probably continue to evolve if we're able to hold on to these levels or even see WTI push higher as we move into the summer. So again, today, some selling pressure after 3 strong days. We are seeing WTI crude futures down about 2% currently, right around 63.60.